So there is the rice inside, chicken, Algerian sauce, and also the garlic sauce. The rice is actually very creamy. One more bite. Hi, I'm on my way to pick up my order, and today's order is Mexican tacos. Believe it or not, I've never tried tacos before, so this will be my first time to try tacos. We are almost there now. All contactless, they will just leave it there, so I'm gonna pick it up later. So I got my food now, it's all here, and now I'm going home. Okay, I'm home already. I just got my tacos al pastor. So I'm gonna try these tacos first. First time to have tacos. Let's try. It's a bit spicy. Inside is all the beef and some vegetables. I also got 2 drinks from Molitos. The first one is Sandia Loca. It means crazy watermelon. Then the other one is banana daiquiri. So it's like a banana smoothie. Wow. Wow. It's watermelon, but they put some chili inside. So you have sweet, sour, and spicy. But it's good. Alright, see you in the next food adventure. I have already tried the Mexican tacos, and now I'm going out to get the French tacos. So what is the difference between French tacos and Mexican tacos? Let's check it out. The French tacos is available at the old tacos, and I have already purchased online via Paydomo, so I just need to go there and collect it. So it's not very convenient. Everything can buy online and just collect it. I'm now in the Kulap area. Thank you. So I'm gonna check out the food later to see how different is French tacos from the Mexican tacos. So now I'm back home. I'm gonna try these French tacos. Just look at the bag. It's just so nice. It just comes with every order. Okay, let's open up. See, it's different. It's flat. So this is very different from the tacos that we know of. So this is more like flattened burritos. But anyway, this one is French tacos with a French twist. The chicken is at the side, and the inside is the creamy rice, and with the garlic and the Algerian sauce. That's all for this video for the comparison between the traditional Mexican tacos and the French tacos. See you again. Bye bye.